I will introduce our hot-selling product, solarwalllight to you. Hello friends, welcome to YINGHAOSOLAR's channel. I'm Alvin. Today, I will introduce our hot-selling product, solarwalllight to you. They are unique design and more welcomed by customers. Well, this one is YINGHAO0613 and with an oval shape design. This one is 0614, which is a rectangular design. They are widely used in veranda, garden fence, walls, and stairways. Now, let's look at their functions. For both items, they have three options for your choice. It's single color temperature version. You press the button here and it's a warm white. You can also choose true white as you like. And the second version is dual CCT version. It means you can press the button on light to choose the light color you like, warm white or cool white. And the third version is single CCT plus breathing mode. It means when you press the button once, it works at warm white or cool white. And you press the button again, it works in breathing mode like this. Just like a human breathing. Very interesting, right? They are equipped with a 3.2 volt 500 mAh LFP battery. After fully charged, it can support the light to work up to 12 hours. And they have 4 pieces LED inside. The brightness is about 20 lux, as they are decorative lights, so this is good enough. The light body made of ABS material and the cover made of PS material. They are very cost-effective products. If you are interested in this series product, please feel free to contact with us. We have strong R&D team and can provide both OEM and ODM service. Even you have your own idea, we can help you to make it happen. Well, we come to the end of this video now. For more information about SolarLight or YINGHAO company, please give us your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your message, comments. Thank you. Bye bye.